Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, I want to give you an update on Hycroft mining, ticker HYMC. It's been a while since I released my last video here because there was not that much to talk about. Today we see that the market is turning quite red here, but we have a lot of short squeeze in the market, guys. I checked yesterday and today the pre-market and we had so many big squeezes, guys, so that could be the beginning here of some huge volatility. So that's why I also give you an update on HYMC. In my opinion, Hycroft mining has also some short squeeze potential, but this is of course just my analysis here based on the chart, my opinion, not financial advice. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, welcome guys. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. I usually talk here about short squeeze stocks. I not only talk about them, I try to predict them, and we want to check now here together in this video if HYMC is still a squeeze play, guys. So yeah, when you see here the official watch list here for my YouTube squeeze plays, then you can see that everything is quite red today, not ultra red. Yeah, Lucid of course announced here some dilution, but the other stocks are just in a correction phase in my opinion. And what we also know, or if you didn't see my previous videos, then for HYMC, maybe the bottom is already in, but I also expected here some little more downside before we could see here the next squeeze. That's why I released this video here. And yeah, let's go here with the chart. So this is it, nothing changed. So what we know, why this is now very interesting here, because HYMC traded here in this trend channel pattern. If you didn't see the previous videos, I show you that really quick, guys. Here, small recap, zack, zack, zack. So we make this a little bit more visible. So this was one of the algo trend channels, or still in my opinion, still one of the algo trend channels, which are here controlling the squeeze, which means every time when HYMC is trading above this white trend channel here, then we have some breakout, aka squeeze potential. And if we're trading within this trend channel, then it of course is more bearish. And now we left this trend channel here with a squeeze, with a breakout, accumulating here a little bit. And now you can see we left here this trend channel to the sideways, and it would be not possible anymore to hit the bottom of this trend channel, because then we would end up here in the minus, guys. Yeah, so this is not possible anymore. So let's undo this again, that we don't disturb the chart too much. Yeah guys, and where we are, what we're talking about. So these are here the price levels or the liquidity zones, which I see. I said already in my previous videos that this pattern here is a bearish pattern. Yeah, when you have something like this here, this kind of wedge pattern, this is a bearish pattern. So I expected that HYMC breaks out here to the downside, and we did that. So we can also delete this pattern here. But the good thing is, guys, that we have here some strong support, some strong liquidity zones. One of them here, this is more or less a neutral zone. The make it or break it price level for HYMC is $2.98, guys. This yellow line here decides if the stock squeeze or not. So as long as we're trading below $2.98, this is not in favor for a squeeze. When we can close a candle, full candle body here over this price, then usually the bulls step in, or the algos trigger some short covering processes whatsoever, guys. Yeah, it is not too important to understand what is causing the squeeze. It is important to know when, on which price range. And in my opinion, this is not financial advice, but in my opinion here, $2.98 is the squeeze trigger price zone. So where's the support? Where would now be a good point to buy in? So I want to switch on the indicators one more time. The RSI, guys, is not ready yet. Yeah, I'm honest with you, we are not ready yet. Yeah, we have to see a little bit more pain, maybe something like this, what is actually ongoing here in the market. Maybe we need to see that here for HYMC as well to get finally the pump that we want. You can see that already here. The main liquidity zone, the most bullish liquidity zone, which we still have, is this blue box. So everything here between, let's say, $2 to keep it simple and $1.86 is a very bullish support for HYMC. In my opinion, they are not diluting the stock. I checked that already here in Fintel. The float is actually 19.4 million shares. And yes, they're diluting here a little bit, but this is not a heavy dilution. This is still, in my opinion, normal. Otherwise, we would see here much lower prices. So as long as they don't dilute the stock too much, here was the stock split. This is of course in favor for a squeeze if we still have here a low float with no dilution. So this is why I think the price target from the market makers, or aka the short sellers, is $2.20. So everything here between $2.20 and the lowest possible price range here, $1.86, should be something like a squeeze trigger zone that would also be in alignment here with the RSI, that the RSI comes back here in the oversold area. So I think as soon as we touch here the oversold area, we could see here a technical reaction for HYMC. That happened here once. You can see, to get a feeling here for the volatility here, this pump was already 40%, so very good also for swing traders. And the second time when we had been here this oversold RSI situation, we pumped also here in total 25%. Not big squeezes, guys. I mentioned that before, that usually I talk here about short squeeze stocks. Not only I talk about them, I really try to predict short squeezes here on my channel, and therefore I upload here some very special tickers with high squeeze potential. I call them the hot stocks, guys. This is just one example here. I upload these videos every Sunday, and when you see these kind of videos, the tickers in these videos have high squeeze potential. There is no guarantee, guys. It is not guaranteed that every ticker squeeze, but I predicted here many squeezes in the past weeks. I can just show you here a few of them. Zack, where we are, zack. So this is wrong window. Give me a second, guys. Here, this one here was the squeeze which we had last week. You can see here the yellow line was Sunday. This is where I released my video, and then just one day later we had here Monday shakeout, and Tuesday the squeeze started, and this ticker squeezed 270% after my prediction. That's why I say I never talk about stocks which are already squeezing and then people FOMO in and whatsoever. That makes no sense. We always have to try to get the lowest possible price, same like the market makers, waiting for the shakeouts, waiting for the drama to catch out here to catch some squeezes and cut out some profits here in the market. The second one 1 week before was this one here. Also in total more than 200%, 236%. Same story, guys. Here was Sunday my video release. The green liquidity zone here was the buy-in price range where I expected a squeeze to happen. That was here in perfect alignment with the trend channel pattern. You can see bottom of the trend channel, buy-in zone. The top is the exit zone. So that was a very easy trade, 236%. Long story short, guys, if you want to see the short squeeze plays here on my channel, we have here the full package membership on Patreon. When you click here the info button in the top position here in the top right corner, guys, you get access here to my links, and the most popular membership is the full package membership on Patreon. When you click this button here, you can access directly the links here below the video, guys. So when we see now HYMC, in my opinion, as I said, I expect the price to come down here at least to $2.20. Here is also a strong support, but the main liquidity zone here would be in this blue box here, guys, $1.86 to $2. Is there a chance that we retest this trend channel here one more time? Yes, guys, the chance is there. So what we will do right now, we measure this move here. That was, I think, 40%. Yes, this is not too much. You can see that we're trading here below the 200 days EMA line. So we have not that strong support here anymore from the 200 EMA line, which is quite normal. And that is the good thing, guys. When we squeeze over $2.98, we will also trade above the 200-day EMA line. So that would be very bullish. And the price goes to the upside here, where I at least think we can squeeze us back here in this green box, $3.87 to $3.68. So just based on the actual price, this is a squeeze momentum or a squeeze play here of 63%. That's why I say, guys, this is not bad, right? But we have much more volatile stocks here in play, guys. But the main resistance which we have right now here for HYMC is $4, guys. Here is a strong resistance. Just when we could squeeze and have a candle body here over $4, that could be very bullish. Then you can see we have the next price range, or the next price target here is $5.78. Yes, we have open gaps even at $19. But after a stock split, guys, I don't know. I would be careful. The potential is there. We have some nice volume here. We can also measure that really quick here, the days which passed already since the volume. This is too long, guys. 200 days is too long. And that's why I say when HYMC start to dilute the stock, this is of course not in favor anymore for a squeeze. But with the actual market situation and with the actual technical setup which we have here, a squeeze is still possible, guys. This is what I think. This is what I can tell you here based on the chart. And it is of course a chance that we see here a squeeze, guys. If you want to copy my price levels here, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. TradingView is the program which I use here for all my videos and of course for all my own trades. I have a discount link available here in the video description, guys. If you use my link, you will save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. If you really want to learn trading, guys, there is, in my opinion, no way around that. You have a good chart program. Of course, make your own due diligence, make your own research about the stocks, but if you understand how the algos works, where the algo is buying in, guys, then it is much more easy to predict a squeeze. And also you can use here the info button here to see the link for the TradingView discount. Guys, that was my update on HYMC. I hope that was helpful for you. If you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates on my short squeeze stocks here, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your support. I wish you great success with HYMC and all the other stocks, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, einen wunderschönen Abend und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.